First look at MIUI Beta 9.4.18 on the Xiaomi Poco F1. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to have a first look at what are the new features which Xiaomi has added in the latest Global Beta 9.4.18 on the Xiaomi Poco F1. How do you install this Global Beta? I will leave a link to the full ROM zip in the description of this video, and then you can install it using the system updater. I have a separate video on how to go from stable ROM to beta ROM, which I will also link in the description of this video along with the zip file which you need to download. The first change which we see is Android security patch of 1st of April 2019, and then Xiaomi has added a new feature called screen time, which is very similar to digital well-being. However, you will not see the option for screen time anywhere in your settings. All you need to do is search for it. So click on the search bar and then type in screen, and you will see a new option called screen time, which is this option over here. Once you click on it, it will give you all the details about how many times you've unlocked your phone, how many minutes your screen has been on. I have a separate video for screen time which is linked in the description of this video, and it will also pop up as a card on the top right of your screen. The next thing Xiaomi has done is that they have given a UI overhaul to the Game Speed Booster or Game Booster application. In the first beta build, which had Game Booster, it was all blue, but when they rolled out Game Booster in the stable build, they changed it to yellow, and now they have gone back to blue again. Nobody knows why they are doing this, but they're doing this. In case you do not have Game Speed Booster option on your desktop, no need to worry. Open the security application and you will see Game Speed Booster over here. In my case, it is over here, this guy. You might see it as a banner over here or down here amongst all these icons, but it will be in the security application. Then you can click on Game Speed Booster. It will change into landscape mode with a new animation. And now if you click on this gear icon on the top right, this is the settings. It will switch back to portrait orientation. Again, I'm not sure what Xiaomi is doing over here. And here you need to toggle this home screen shortcut option. Right now it is on. We change it to off and then turn it back on, and now it will create a shortcut for Game Speed Booster on your desktop. Back into the main menu or the Game Speed Booster application. Right now it is showing my game Tank Hero as a big icon. If you want to change it to a small icon, you click on this guy and it will change to a small icon. Another thing to note is I'm also being shown my CPU usage, GPU usage, and how much battery I have left. If you want to exit your Game Booster application, you need to click on this back arrow on the top left of the screen twice. So 1, 2, and bam, we just exited Game Speed Booster. Back into Game Turbo. If you click on start playing, it will open the game for you. Now, how do you access your Game Turbo in-game options while you're playing the game? You need to swipe from the top left and you will get your Game Turbo menu. And here, the first thing you notice is I'm being shown the name of the game, my GPU usage, my CPU usage, the FPS of frames per second, what time is it, and how much battery I have left. What would be great is if Xiaomi could add battery percentage over here. Then you have icons for your WhatsApp, Facebook, and browser. So if you click on the browser application, it will open up as a floating window on top of your game, and you can close it using this option, maximize it, or if you click on this square icon on the top left, you can also resize it to whatever size you want it to be. Next up, you have the option of clearing all your cache. So if you click on this rocket icon, it will say clearing and then clear up memory in case you find your game to be lagging or any other issues you have during in-game. Then this option with the scissors is to take a screenshot. Let me try it one more time, and bam, we just took a screenshot. The next option with the video icon is to start screen recording. Click on this guy and there it is, video recording just started, and I just stopped it, and now this is showing as a floating icon, and I can click on start anytime to record my gameplay. Next, if you click on the down arrow, you have the option to toggle off your Wi-Fi. The one option is to toggle your SIM. So in case you have two SIMs, you can swap between the SIMs in case you're running out of data on one of your SIMs. This next option I think is to turn on and off your mobile phone data. Then you have this option which will turn off your screen while you're playing your game. However, the game will continue to run in the background, a pretty nifty feature from Xiaomi in Game Turbo. And then you have the option of going into settings by clicking on this gear icon. So this is all we had to cover about Game Turbo, which Xiaomi has added in the latest 9.4.18 beta on the Xiaomi Poco F1. The next major feature or major change which Xiaomi has added in MIUI 9.4.18 beta is in the camera application. So let's first go into settings and about phone, system update, three-dot menu in the top right, and then click on what's new. You see how they mention the same set of filters and beauty options now work in photo, portrait and short video modes. So if you open the camera application, right now we are in photo mode. Click on this beauty icon on the top and you have beauty and filters in the building. Now if you go into portrait mode and you click on this beauty icon over here, this guy, you again have those same beauty and filters in portrait mode as well. And if you go into short video and then you click on this option on the top, you have the option of adding filters to your short videos as well. They do mention beauty, but I do not see beauty option in your short video mode. So that's it for a quick rundown of all the new features which Xiaomi has added in the latest stable beta 9.4.18. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.